Well, hey, Richard here, and just got back from Chicago a couple of days ago, and we've just got absolutely gorgeous weather here. I'm in just in Wellington City, and we're like 20 minutes from the CBD. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just beautiful around here, and it's a beautiful sunny day. Like, we're close to winter. But anyway, the question for the day is, fast results. What can get me the fastest results? And actually, no one really asks it that way. They ask, what should I do next? But probably what they should be asking is, what's the fastest thing I can do to get results and get an impact? Because that's kind of what everyone wants, isn't it? Quick wins. And the answer is always, from me anyway, look, I've tried thousands of things with anyone selling professional services, but the fastest thing is pricing. Your pricing and packaging. So how you price and present your services, and that's it. And most people do it very poorly. They do it way too basically. You really should be making multiple offers, because most people, if they have multiple choices, they'll go for the higher one. No, not most of them, but 30% will go for a higher option if it makes any sense at all. So really study pricing and packaging. That is it's almost a topic on its own. It is a topic on its own. And study anything you can get around pricing and packaging, because if you want to, as long as you've got decent deal flow, that is the fastest way to increase everything. No overheads, no extra costs or anything like that. Find ways to put your prices up